Morning, students. This is video number 6, right? And we are completed so far this ones, and we are studying what we are studying uh, challenge to bipolarity. So we have already accept the what are the challenge to bipolarity. So one is the name, and second here I have already explained name in the video number 5, right? And now this is the new challenge for uh, because these countries make the organizations which can uplift their poverty and their economic uh, problems, and can raise their economy, right? Faces the poverty from their country, because these are the least developed countries. So they make new international economic order, NIEO, because this is the biggest challenge for decolonizations was to become more developed, how to develop economically and lift their people out of poverty, because the least developed countries means those countries who get freedom from the Britishers, mostly facing the big problems, right? uh, Poverty problems and the economic problems. And the idea of new international economic originated with these realizations, means this is the other steps for the least developed nations. And this is also the challenge for those two power bloc, because they also give the aid some other countries or weak and economically weak countries, that they can join their alliances. So you must understand how the new international economic order is a challenge for the bipolarity. Got it? And the second, the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNCTAD, UNCTAD, U for United, N for Nation, C for Conference, T for Trade, and D for Development, right? Brought out report in 1972 entitled Towards a New Trade Policy for Development, means the UNCTAD also play a big role for the least developed countries, and focus on new trade policy for these poor countries, and the nature of non-alignment change to give greater importance to economic issue. As a result of non-alignment, movement become an economic pressure group, because it raised it is the organizations or the name of the organizations where poor section of the countries can raise their voice and international arenas or international levels or international organizations, and can create pressure upon the well developed nations, right? So you must understand this. This is the also the challenge for the two power blocks. One is NAM and the second is new international economic orders, initiative taken by took by the two non-aligned movement nations or least developed nations. And that's why some least developed nations join the membership of NAM, and now the NAM is the famous for the pressure group from the least developed country sides, right? Hope you understand it. Have a nice day, and thank for watching this video.